Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 4th, and this is my analysis of the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I still think there's a very good likelihood that this is an uptrend right here. I still think over the coming months, it's eventually going to start making its way up, eventually going to take out these highs, and I still believe that one of these higher Fibonacci extensions will be the most likely area for this to end in expanding flat, which I think we're in a wave C of an expanding flat. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, I still think that this first push up is a 1. I still think this is an expanding flat wave 2. Definitely looks like it because it has a higher high wave B and a lower low wave C. I think it's very clearly an expanding flat wave 2. I think this first push up is a wave 1 of wave 3. I still think this push down is a 2 of 3. Whether or not the wave 2 or 3 is over, whether or not it needs to go down one more time is still debatable. But once this wave 2 is over, it should end up continuing up for a wave 3 of wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean, on the euro dollar especially, this move down does kind of resemble more of a trend than a correction. It doesn't really look like an ABC. Now, most of the other dollar pairs do look like an ABC, which is why I'm still holding on to the idea that this is very likely in wave 1 up. This is very likely a correction down. It did take out the low of wave 4. It did bounce off to 61.8. I mean, it really did everything that a wave 2 should do, except for it looks like a trend instead of a correction, which is why I said we do have to be a little cautious because it could even end up being an A, it could end up being a B and going down again for a C before it does continue the up. But until we get that turn, which I definitely don't see yet, I am definitely looking for longs on sort of time frames. And if it does turn into a nice uptrend, then that will confirm to me that this is a 2 and that this is a big wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I mean, it definitely looks like a trend. One, two, three, four, five. It could be a wave A, but I'm thinking that it probably is a wave 1. This right here definitely looks like 3 waves down. I'm hoping that it's a wave 2, but it could possibly be a wave B. And then this move up, I think, is very likely to either be a wave C or a wave 3. If it is a wave C, it might go back up to the previous highs and then turn down in a big way. If it really is a wave 3, then I think it will continue to make higher highs and higher lows. So right now, really, I'm looking for longs in an uptrend, and I'm going to learn and earn at the same time whether this is a wave C or whether this is a wave 3. So heading down to the 1 hour time frame, with all that information in mind, I am definitely primarily looking for longs. I would like to see a nice pullback before I'm willing to go long. I definitely wouldn't really try to go long right now. I would prefer to see like an A, a B, and a C pullback. If I do see 3 waves down, and especially if it is at like a Fibonacci retracement of this last push up, 3 waves down, Fibonacci bounce, nice engulfing move to the upside would be exactly what I would be looking for an entry to go long for the continuation of this uptrend until the higher time frames tell me that this is not in an uptrend anymore, which it definitely has not done so yet. I for sure am primarily looking for longs at the end of ABC pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.